Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, if you have bad credit or even horrible credit and you're in check systems or you're on disability welfare and nobody's willing to give you an unsecured credit card, you go to the credit unions, you go to banks, nobody will give you an unsecured credit card. Then I'm going to tell you, you need to take a look at this card. It's the Fit Platinum credit card. Now, please understand with this type of credit card, they do charge fees to activate the card up front, all right? But here's the thing about it. Please keep in mind that this is an unsecured credit card, and it's really focused on people that don't have credit, that have very bad credit, that may be in check systems, and they're trying to restart their credit. This is why this card is here, okay? So the interest rates, yes, it may be pretty high, but at the same time, it still is an unsecured credit card, and it reports to all three credit bureaus. So it actually gives you a chance to start helping you rebuild your credit. Plus, I'm gonna tell you some few insider secrets in terms of how else you can start increasing your credit score as well to get a better credit card. Now, here's the thing about it, understanding about their fees. Their fees is a $89 processing fee. Then they have a $99 annual fee. They do charge a $75 maintenance fee, but they do not charge that $75 maintenance fee until the next year. So the first year they'll waive it, all right? Now the good part about this, as you can see, if you use this card and you make on-time payments for up to 6 months, it will double. Okay, the maximum amount that this credit card actually goes up to is $3,000. So not only after that 6 months, but it'll keep on checking your credit to see if your credit improves, and then you'll keep on getting credit limit increases. Now, please let me reiterate, this is a card for people that may have just went through a bankruptcy, or you just came out of divorce and you have terrible credit, or you just never understood about credit, you let people take advantage of your credit. You may have a car repossession that tanked your credit. So this is the type of card you want to start rebuilding with, all right? That's the reason that I'm telling you guys about this card. Now, that being said, here's a few things that you can actually do to help you get a little more income in your pocket. If you work at a job, what you want to do is you want to go to your HR department and you want to file exempt for 3 to 4 months. What that means is that they will stop taking taxes out of your check for 3 to 4 months. That's going to give you an income boost. That's going to allow you to have some extra money so you can start paying down some of your other credit card debt. Okay? This is going to help you. There's another way to help you. Many of you, when you're checking your credit, you go to Credit Karma. Now, here's the key to this. If you go to Credit Karma, all right, and what you want to do, look at all of your negative items. What you can do is you can challenge those negative items on your credit report, because Credit Karma usually give you your Equifax and your TransUnion file. You're going to challenge those items. It usually takes anywhere from 48 to 72 hours for those negative items to come off. Here's one other place that you want to try to go get a loan if you have real bad credit, but you have income that don't focus on the personal credit, and this is IndyLand. And as you can see here with IndyLand, they offer loans anywhere from $200 up to $5,000, okay? And just to show you, they do not focus on the credit. So it's not about the credit score with them. All right, it's all about if you have an active bank account. Do you have deposits? Do you have a regular email? Because they need to contact you and an active phone number. They just ask for some basic information. So now you're able to position yourself where you went from a $400 credit card up to $5,000 loan with no credit check. Once some of those negative items come off, then you can apply for this here card, and this here card will give you up to $1,500. Now, it's gonna get better because there's not a hard pull on it, so you don't have to worry about a hard inquiry. As long as you have an active bank account, okay, with deposits, they'll give you this here card. Now, here's another thing you'll be able to do. Now, your next thing you'll be able to do, you'll be able to apply for a loan with Uprova. Now, with Uprova, as you can see, they offer loans from $300 up to $5,000. Okay, so you don't have to worry about a hard inquiry on your credit as well. Now, in terms of Uprova, it is a tribal lender. So meaning that when you go to the casinos and you get a loan and stuff like that, or you go to the casinos, lose your money. So they have lenders set up to loan you money at simple interest. So you can borrow up to $5,000. Now,